Good day, everyone. You are welcome back to TDS Online Math. Alright, in today's tutorials, we are going to look at type 2 and the partial fractions. Okay, so with the type 2, we talk about denominator with a repeated factor. Okay, so repeated factor. Alright, so in case we are given a denominator like, let's say, x plus b all squared. Okay, so this one is seen as x plus b. That will be the first term, then x plus b all squared. In case the denominator is like this, okay, this is what is called a repeated factor. We call this repeated factor. So in a similar way, x minus b to the power 3. So this one will start from 1 up to 3. So to the power 1, x minus b squared, then x minus b cubed. Okay, so that's that. So what about x cubed? So we have x squared, then x cubed. So we call this repeated factors. All right, so let's solve examples. Right, okay, so let's resolve this into partial fractions. Okay, so we have a linear factor here, x plus 2, and a repeated factor. So we just did this. Okay, so my a will take the linear factor x plus 2, and so this one is a linear factor, so b over x minus 1, so to the power 1. Okay, then my c take x minus 1 to the power 2. So this one is a linear factor. It starts from to the power 1 up to 2. Okay, so let's find the LCM. Okay, so you can find the LCM here, and this is the LCM when you multiply 2. Now this side will be 1. So x plus 2 in the LCM will cancel itself. I will leave it x minus 1 all squared. So we have a x minus 1 squared. So x minus 1 in this, remember we have x minus 1 all squared, and therefore x minus 1 will remove one of this. So I'll be left with b x minus 1, then x plus 2. Okay, then the last one, c, we have x minus 1 all squared, so to remove this. Okay, so my c will be x minus x plus 2. Okay, now you want to find a, b, and c. Okay, so which one should we find first? Okay, we know x plus 2 and x plus 2. When we set x equal to negative 2, it will pave way for a, because x equals minus 2 will remove c and then remove b as well. Okay, so when x equal to minus 2, yeah, so we have 1. It means where you see x, put minus 2 there. So minus 2 minus 1 plus b minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 plus 2 plus C minus 2 plus 2. Okay, so we have 1 equals to A, so minus 3 squared plus B, we have minus 3 here, then we have 0 there, plus C minus 2, this is minus 2, my plus 2 is 0, so this one will go away. I will leave it 1 equals to 9A. Therefore, A is 1 over 9. All right. So let's look for other variable, that is A and C. Okay, so how do you find A or C? Okay. But now when I put 1 here, okay, A, B will go to 0. All right. So when x equals to 1, so we have 1 equals to A. So 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 squared is still 0. Plus, if I put 1 here, this side is 0. 0 times this one will turn to 0. Okay. So when I put 1 here as well, I'll get, so this side will be times 0. So 3C. Okay. Therefore, 1 equals to 3C. My C is 1 over 3. All right. So let's look for the other variable. So we are left with B. So we know C and A, so we left B. Okay, now this is what we are going to do. We know A and C, and we left with B. Okay. Now we want to plug in a value of x that will keep A, B, and C. After that, we substitute A and C. Okay. So we can say let x equal to 0, or we can guess of any number that will keep the 3 variables, that is A, B, and C. Since we know it will be possible for us to substitute. Okay. So let me start from here. When s is equal to 0, so let me clean this one. Okay, so I have 1. I put 0 here, get minus 1, A minus 1 squared plus B. So this side here, put 0 here to be minus 1, to be 2. So we have C times 2. So I have 1 equals to 1 minus 1 all squared is 1A plus, so this side becomes minus 2B plus 2C. So we have A, B, and C, but C and A, okay? No, we know A and C, so we can substitute. So we have 1 equals to A is 1 over 9 minus 2B plus 2 times 1 over 3. So we can multiply 2 by 9, okay? But we have 1 equals to 1 over 9 plus 2 over 3. So let me bring it here, up here. So I have, let me multiply 2 by 9. So 9 equals to 1, 18B. So 9, 3 into 9, 3, so 6. So 1 plus 6 is 7. So we have 9 minus 7 equals to minus 18B. So we have 2 equals minus 18. Therefore, B is 2 over minus 18, which is minus 1 over 9. Okay, so let's go back to the expression. We know A, B, and C. So A is what? A is 1 over 9. So this one will be 1 over 9. So I've taught how to write this in type 1. So you can check out the video. Okay, so then B is, what is B? Minus 1 over 9. Then C is 1 over 3. So 1. So this minus will affect this. So I'll put minus here. And this one will go. Okay, so this is the final answer. So this one has been resolved into partial fractions. Okay.